Alright, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to program your GenMega G2500 from scratch from a brand new machine. And so first things first, when you boot it up, it's going to come to this screen and you're going to want to go into operator, and your factory password is 65. So 555555, and we'll enter. And it'll bring you to this service, and we're going to want to go into ATM operator. And then once we get to this screen, the first things I like to do is make sure our date and time is correct. So our date is correct, but the time is not. So we'll go into we'll go into system setup. We'll go to set clock, and then we'll set our hour. Right now it is 2:30, so we'll set hour. And we'll click enter. Then we'll set minute, 30, enter. Awesome, so our time is set, and then we'll cancel back out just to double check. It is 2:30, and it is the 17th, so we're all set on that. Next things I like to do is change their operator passwords. So we're going to go back into our system setup. You're going to go to change password, because right now our master password is all flats. So we'll go to our master password, enter new master password. For this video, we'll just make it 1234566. Re-enter 1234566. Enter. Change is awesome. And then we'll go ahead and change our operator and our service passwords as well. So we'll go to operator, enter new operator, and we'll just make it 878787. Enter. 878787. Enter. Awesome. So that operator password is set, and now we'll go ahead and change our service password. So our new service password is going to be 989898. We'll do it one more time, 989. Oops. So if you mess up, you can just click clear to go back one. So 9898. Awesome. So now all of our passwords are set. And these are just passwords just for the purpose of this video. So then we'll go ahead and cancel to return. And then next things first I like to do is go to our language and make sure they're set. So we have English set, and you can also enable Spanish, whichever you like. We'll cancel back out to return. And now that we're still in our system setup, I like to go and enter our serial number. And each machine, it has a different serial number, and it looks like our machine already has our serial number inputted. So we'll just cancel out to return. Cancel out to return again to our main menu. And now once we're here, we're going to go into our customer setup. We're going to start selecting our processor. And for this machine, we're using Switch Commerce, so it'll be different for each processor that you use. So we'll go into processor. And so we're just going to want to make sure our message format is standard 3. It's correct. Our communication is SSL pass-through. That is correct. Our SSL data format is 7-bit even partially correct. And then we'll just go into our SSL, and it is version 1.2. So that looks good to me. We'll back out. And then our reversal on host is enabled, so that looks good. And then we'll go to our standard 3 option. And we just want to make sure our communication header is enabled. We want to make sure our status monitoring is enabled. And then we want to make sure our these 12-digit sequence is disabled. And then we want to disable our CRC. So we have those two disabled now. So we'll just cancel back out. And then we'll cancel back out again. And then we'll cancel back out one more time. And now we're going to show you how to set up your surcharge.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.